Hi class, good morning. I hope you're enjoying your snow day. Today we're missing out on a really cool science lesson. And so I wanted to be able to share that with you because it's going to be really important for tomorrow's lesson that we have today's lesson done. So I wanted to share with you that we've been working on heat in science. And the other day we added heat to bread, and when we added heat to bread, we learned that it turned into toast and that the white part of the bread got a lot darker. Today, I have a glass of hot water and a spoon in there, and I have some just regular table salt that you can use at the kitchen table or that mom and dad might use when they're cooking. And I'm going to take some of this salt and I'm going to slowly kind of sprinkle it in. And if you notice, some of it's at the bottom, but it kind of made it, I'm going to stir it in and it made it cloudy. Okay, I'm going to mix that in and you kind of can't see it anymore. If you look, a little bit of it will settle at the bottom, but the other stuff that it changed, the hot water made the salt not in this salt form anymore. It's mixed in with the water. So I'm going to add a little bit more salt. I'm going to stir it. And so the salt is dissolving, or it's mixing with the water. I'm just going to put a little bit more salt in there. And I'm going to stir it up so it's nice and mixed together. So the hot water made the salt dissolve or go away and mix in with the water. Okay? I want to make sure it's all nice and mixed up. All right, and now I have a just plain jar. I'm going to pour this hot water in this plain jar. You can kind of see some of the salt left over that didn't get mixed in, but most of it's mixed in and kind of made this cloudy water, okay? And then now I'm going to take a piece of string that I just tied to a pin, and I'm going to put it in the middle of my jar. So that way it's sitting and you can kind of see it right over here where it's in the water solution. Now, your job right now is to think, what's going to happen with the string and the water? What do you think is going to happen? So right now and for tomorrow, I want you to make a hypothesis or a guess on what's going to happen with the water that has salt mixed in it and the string. And I want you to bring that prediction or hypothesis back to class tomorrow, and we're going to share them as a class, and then I will bring this, and tomorrow something exciting is going to happen with this jar that I'm going to show you, and maybe your hypothesis is right, maybe it's wrong, but remember, a hypothesis is just a good guess, so it doesn't have to be right. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you enjoy your snow day, and I can't wait to share with you what happens with our science experiment.